So this is really exciting. This is the GRA 18V2-46 from Bosch. It's their first professional standard cordless lawnmower. As you can see, it's part of the dark blue color range from Bosch, which is their professional range of power tools and garden tools. And the other ones you might have seen are the green, the more home DIY models that you've seen from a few years back in the market. But like I said, this is part of the heavy duty professional power tool range. Now this is part of their 18-volt BITURBO range, but like other 18-volt tools in that range, this takes two 18-volt batteries. So some of the other manufacturers may well call it a 36-volt tool, but they're calling it an 18-volt tool. It just takes two of them. It's a great bit of kit, and what it does is it offers you the corded level of performance you'll get from your traditional corded lawnmowers, but with the flexibility of it being cordless. So there's no cables, no wires. You can pretty much take it wherever you like. In terms of height adjustment, it ranges from 70mm to 30mm with an incredibly easy to use handle there on the side. We've got a 60-litre capacity collection bag, and you've got the ability to put a mulching plug in there as well, so you can suck up the grass and then put it back out onto the turf for you. Incredibly easy, all included. A nice little safety feature you see with a lot of these modern lawnmowers is it's not just a matter of compressing the handle. You've got a safety switch on the side that you need to compress before you pull the handle and you're ready to go. It's incredibly easy to fold away, and it's nice and compact once you have got it away as well. You can stand it upright on the rear of the machine or keep it on the tyres itself. The bag comes away nice and easily, folds up really well, and you can store it easily in a van, in a shed, or in your garage. So this is part of the BITURBO range from Bosch, which is their latest innovation in terms of their cordless power tool range. It is the heaviest duty motors, getting the most out of those ProCore batteries as well. So you've got a brushless motor, and although this will run off any 18-volt batteries, the suggestion from Bosch really is that you're looking at the ProCore range of batteries, 8 amp hour and above, to get the decent amount of power, and particularly a good run time, giving you the ability to easily cut a medium-sized lawn in one charge of those batteries. So we've had a little run around the park today, and the performance is genuinely really impressive. It's a fantastic new addition to the Bosch range of 18-volt cordless gardening. It is the GRA 18V2-46 from Bosch, and of course that's available at your home of Bosch, its.co.uk.